Talk to me.
Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is lachelletrends, and in today's video I'm coming to you with a wig install / review on this unit you see me wearing right here. This unit was sent to me from Samsbeauty. I will have Samsbeauty and this unit linked in the description box below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. On my channel I do hair videos, fashion videos, as well as play and makeup. So sis, go ahead and join the gang, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified of each video that I post. So yeah girl, let's go ahead and jump right into it. Okay sis, so again I received this unit from Samsbeauty, and they sent over this unit right here. It's from Sensationnel. So let's get into it. Girl, I'm slick scared because I kind of forgot which unit. Girl, why do I always forget? I forgot which unit I got, and then I'm looking at this color, so I really don't know what it looks like. And then on top of that, your girl can't even get it out. Girl, when I say the struggle was real getting this unit out. I think the plastic is like stuck to it. Girl, I don't know. Okay girl, because it almost made me mad. But anyway sis, this is the unit. Okay, it's cute. The color is cute. I was a little scared like I said, but it's looking cute. So we have Sensationnel's Vice HD lace wig. It says the style is Vice Unit 3, and the color is Tip Dye 613. It's 100% premium fiber HD lace pre-plex hairline with baby hairs. It has a natural density, and it's curling iron safe 350 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So this is the stock card. And again, one more time for this hair color. The color is looking really bomb, sis. Like, it's looking really cute. Let me show you the inside. It's looking like a T-part unit. You can already see the little parting or whatever. And then it's a 13 by 6 right here. It's a 13 by 6 by 1 because I don't ask me how I know that, but that's pretty much what they call it in human hair layman terms. So yeah, this is what we're looking like in the inside. It should have some combs. Where are they at? Here they are, 2 combs right here, one on either side, as well as a comb at the bottom, along with adjustable straps. And let me make sure it's no comb in the middle. It's not. So yes sis, this is again what we are looking like. Let me show you the hairline with the baby hairs. I can see the baby hairs. It's looking really good. Again, one more time for the color, and it's feeling very full. So yes sis, let's go ahead and put her on. So I'm just starting off by putting on my wig cap, and if you guys didn't already notice, my hair is just in a ponytail with the ponytail twisted to the sides. But yeah, now I'm just putting on the wig and getting it situated. To lay my wig, I'll be using my Got To Be Glue Free spray, and I'm just going to spray along the hairline and then blow dry the spray to seal it in. So now I'm taking some powder and I'm just tinting my lace. The powder I'm using is from my Black Radiance Contour palette in the shade Medium to Dark. once I'm done adding the powder along the hairline, I'm then going to go back in using that Got To Be Glue Free Spray and spray along the hairline one more time, and this just creates the perfect melt. So for styling, it's very simple. This is a T-part unit. So I'm just going to clean up the part and then grab my hot comb and begin flattening out the hair around the part. So for baby hairs, I feel like I'm just going to be a little extra today and try to do something a little different. So yeah, I'm just going to pull out a little hair and I'm just going to begin swooping and cutting and trimming and just styling them up. But to lay them down, I'm using the Got To Be Glue Free Spray. Now that the baby hairs are done, I'm just taking the clips out and just basically running my fingers through it. I was debating whether I was going to style it up or not, but yeah, now I'm just taking some powder along the hairline and making it blend in a little better because it is looking a little rough. But yeah, after that, I'm gonna go in using some oil sheen because the hair was a little dry and hard to run my fingers through. So I'm just placing some oil sheen throughout the hair, making it softer. So here is what we are looking like, and girl, I am really feeling this color. Now this color, black and 613, has been trending, so I think the color is looking really good. The cut in the front is looking good. Now I want to say this before I turn around and show you the back. I didn't touch the back, I didn't curl it at all. I just kind of let it do what it do, and yeah, so without further ado, let me go ahead and turn around so you can see the back. So if you do wear this unit, you probably do want to touch up the back. I'm not about to do anything with this unit or go anywhere as to why I didn't touch the back. But yeah, you probably want to bump it a little bit. And yeah, because I don't want nobody talking crap like, girl, she did not do anything to that back. Look how that back looked. But anyway, sis, so let's get into the details of this unit. It is big head friendly. I didn't struggle to put this unit on at all. It's not tight. It's just a perfect fit. So it does get a big head friendly pass. The texture of this unit is just very stiff. It's very stiff hair. You really cannot run your fingers through it without getting snags or whatever, as to why you see me go in with some oil sheen just to give it some moisture and just to loosen up the hair, and it worked. So I do recommend you using oil sheen just to give it moisture. And I really want to say the reason why you get the reason why it's stiff is because of the ends of the hair is at 613, because once I run my fingers through it, once I get right here is where I start to receive the tangles or the snags or whatever. So yeah, maybe if you had a different color that wasn't a 613, maybe you wouldn't receive that, but I did. So oil sheen is the solution. I didn't really receive any shedding at all, more so just a couple of strands of hair. Like right now I'm just pulling strands of hair out because I can see them. So yeah, not that much shedding, but you will see strands of hair that you just kind of need to pull out because it's awkward, because everything is like a blunt cut, and then you'll have like little strands hanging. So I'm just pulling strands here and there, but it's really nothing alarming. I think with shorter hair, you get a longer wear out of it, and it's easier to maintain, and you don't really have that much of what is it? I don't even know the word. You don't have that much of a struggle to maintain the hair. So I don't think that the stiffness and these little snags is going to mess up the longevity of the unit and stuff like that, and the wear of the unit. I think this unit will last a very long time, maybe 3 to 4 weeks, if not longer, with good care. So yeah, the lace melted very nicely, sis. I think the lace looks really good. It's a really good melt. Like, girl, the melt is looking bomb. The only thing that I don't really care for about this unit is the hairline. Everybody always says that their stuff comes pre-plucked, and sis, it's not giving the pre-plucked. However, I will say this, on T-part units, every time when they say it's pre-plucked, I don't even believe it, just because it's harder to pre-pluck a T-part unit, giving just that one little, you know, right here, and then the tracks is right here. It's just I never received a T-part unit that was just a flawless pre-plucked unit. And I've never pre-plucked, or I've never plucked a synthetic unit. I always say that. I never really just get into it, more so because I don't want to mess up the hairline in the unit, so I just don't do it. But girl, if I did, I would start today, and I would start with this unit, because right here it's just giving wiggy or whatever, and I don't like to look wiggy just because of the color of this unit is black and blonde or whatever. So it's more so giving Halloween vibes just because it's wiggy right here. And I think if it was pre-plucked, it would be giving, you know, like trendy vibes. Like, ooh, I mean, I think it's still a cute unit, don't get me wrong. I think it still looks good. The color is bomb. The lace melted very nicely. However, I just want to pre-pluck this right here. I may or may not just practice and see what it looks like, but y'all, you literally only have this much space. So even if I was to pre-pluck it or pluck it, why do I keep saying pre-pluck it? Even if I was to pluck it, I don't even think that it would be giving, you know, plucked hairline. But I mean, if you want to try it, sis. Overall, I think the unit turns out very nicely. Very full hair, very thick. It has a few layers right here. You can't really see it. It has a few layers right here that stop right here that I actually thought was gonna feather out into, like, you know, right here, but it didn't, because it's only just a few strands or whatever, but you can see it. But overall, y'all, again, the unit is cute. I'll have it linked in the description box below if you want to get your hands on it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.